Imagine talking to your software, getting instant answers, and having your post-processor edited for you. This is no longer a dream. Meet the CAD-CAM Assistant. The CAD-CAM AI Assistant is trained on over 1,700 technical documents, more than 350 training videos, and thousands of real support cases. 8 languages, available 24/7. What sets us apart from other systems is AI-powered post-processor editing. Let's explore all the features. Just type your question in your own words. Where is the origin setup? How does it work? The assistant scans the entire CAD-CAM knowledge base and delivers clear, step-by-step answers. No more rewatching videos or searching through documents. Everything is summarized and ready to apply, right in front of you. Need more details? The assistant doesn't just tell you what to do. It explains what a concept means and where to find it in CAD-CAM, and lists all the relevant options. It also adds links to training videos at the end of each answer. On request, it draws a technical diagram right inside the answer. No need for external software or searching other sources for references. Chats are saved. Come back and pick up right where you left off. Now we're showing a feature no other CAM offers. Traditionally, changing a post-processor means learning to code, hiring an expensive expert, or waiting days for support. With the CAD-CAM Assistant, that's now much simpler. Transfer the post-processor file to the assistant and describe the change you want. For example, before a tool change, after the move to Z0, the machine should move to the Y0 position on the next line. The assistant scans all code blocks, adds the required changes, and shows the result in real time. Click Save and Import to CAD-CAM to apply the changes directly to your post-processor. Within minutes, your change is ready. No coding knowledge needed. No manual searching, no line-by-line editing, no waiting for experts. The CAD-CAM AI Assistant continuously learns from real support cases and updates with every release. Update to CAD-CAM 2026 Service Pack 1, click the Assistant icon, and start working smarter today. CAD-CAM. Learn fast, produce faster.